Welcome to Vision Academy. In today's video, we are going to explore something really exciting. Imagine being able to create a stunning AI influencer video in just a few minutes. Yes, you heard that right. AI has now made it possible to generate professional-looking influencer content with just a few clicks. Before we get started, let's have a look at the video generated. As you can see, this AI influencer video looks really amazing, and in this tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create this type of video yourself step by step. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own AI influencer videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or any other platform you want. So let's begin the tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to create these influencer-style videos using a powerful AI tool. Before I reveal the name of the tool that creates these incredible videos, let's first use ChatGPT to generate a creative prompt for our influencer. So I open ChatGPT in my browser. Inside the chat box, I type, "Give me the prompt to generate a woman AI influencer who is very charming." ChatGPT processes this request and generates a detailed prompt for us. This prompt will describe how the AI influencer should look and behave, and the more descriptive the prompt is, the better our result will be. Now that we have our prompt, I will copy it. With this copied prompt, we are ready to move on to the next stage. Next, I open a new tab in my browser and search for Krea AI. From the search results, I click on the official Krea AI link, which takes me to their homepage. On the homepage, you will see two login options. The first is Continue with Google, and the second is to type in your email and click on Continue with Email. For this tutorial, I will click on Continue with Google because it is quick and convenient. Once I log in, I am taken to the Krea AI dashboard. Here, I see multiple options for creation. I can choose image, video, or even a 3D object. For now, I will keep image selected because we are first going to generate an influencer image before turning it into a video. The next step is to set the aspect ratio. So I click on the aspect ratio drop-down. You can choose from several options like square, widescreen, or vertical formats. Depending on your needs, you can pick the one that works best. Since I am creating a vertical influencer video suitable for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok, I will select 9:16. This aspect ratio is perfect for mobile viewing. Now I move to the image settings section. Krea AI provides different customization options here. You can adjust detail level, creativity, realism, and more. If you want to experiment, this is where you can play around with the settings. But for this tutorial, I am going to leave them as they are and not make any changes. With the settings ready, I paste the prompt I copied earlier from ChatGPT into the text box that says, "Describe an image." After pasting, I click on the Generate button. Krea AI now begins processing my request. Within a few seconds, it generates an image of the charming AI influencer described in the prompt. I can now preview the generated image. If I like it, I can keep it. If I want something different, I can adjust the prompt or try again. If the image looks great and I want to keep it, I can click on the three dots next to the image and select the download option to save it to my computer. This way, I already have an influencer image ready. But this is not the end. The real magic happens when we turn this influencer image into a video. To do that, I go back to the top and click on the video button. Now, instead of generating only a static image, Krea AI will generate an actual AI influencer video. Here, I can use the same prompt or I can modify it. For example, I can say, "A charming woman AI influencer speaking directly to the camera with natural movements, wearing stylish modern clothing, in a bright and minimal background." Once I type this in, I hit the Generate button again. Krea AI now starts working on creating the video. After a few moments, the preview video appears on the screen. At this stage, I can watch the preview to see how my AI influencer looks in motion. If I'm happy with the results, I can click on the download button and save the video onto my computer. If I want to refine it further, I can edit the prompt by adding more details about expressions, lighting, background, or even camera style, and then generate again until I get exactly what I want. Now, let's take a moment to check out the video generated by Krea AI. As you can see, the results are very impressive. The influencer looks realistic, the animations are smooth, and the overall quality is surprisingly good for something that was created entirely by AI. Think about the possibilities here. You can create influencer-style videos for marketing campaigns, product promotions, social media growth, or even launch your own faceless influencer brand, all without hiring actors, booking a studio, or spending money on production equipment. Everything happens right from your computer with just prompts and AI technology. And remember, the more specific and detailed your prompts are, the better your results will be. For example, instead of simply saying a charming woman influencer, you can add details like wearing a red dress, in a bright modern office setting, speaking confidently with a smile, and shot with cinematic lighting. Adding these details helps the AI understand exactly what you want and gives you a much higher quality output. The workflow is also very efficient. First, you generate a strong prompt using ChatGPT. Then, you copy that prompt into Kria AI to generate an image. If you're satisfied, you can download the image, and if you want more, you can switch to the video option and generate a complete influencer video. This combination of ChatGPT and Kria AI is very powerful and saves you a huge amount of time. So to recap, we started by asking ChatGPT for a detailed prompt. Then we logged into Kria AI, chose the image option, selected an aspect ratio, kept the default settings, pasted the prompt, and generated an influencer image. After previewing and downloading the image, we switched to the video option, pasted or refined the prompt, generated the video, and finally downloaded it to our computer. And now you have your very own AI influencer video created in just a few minutes. That's the complete tutorial on how to create stunning AI influencer videos with Kria AI. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, make sure to give this video a like, subscribe to Vision Academy, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments what kind of AI influencer videos you plan to create with this tool. Thank you for watching Vision Academy. Stay creative, and I will see you in the next video.